Hello everybody, it is and today we are doing a documentary on birds. That I think is a bird. That's probably a bird. What is that? Yep, it's a bird. In this video, we'll be teaching you lots of stuff that you didn't know about birds. For example, now where's my boogie board? There's my boogie board. Now where's my... Okay, get out of here. Get off. Okay, get my cookie. Get. Okay, so have you seen my boogie board pen? I can't find it. Ooh, toilet paper. Found that. Boogie board pen. Hey, just find it. Ultra Air, find it.
You got it.
Oh, never mind. It was here this whole time. So, a bird is a thing like that has two somethings on the side and one big face with little needles on the front, and I think they have 2 eyes, and they have, I don't know, do they have feet? I've never seen their feet. I think that they can fly, and they fly above people and places like the Eiffel Tower. And ooh, let me tell you a story. Oh, hey, see, look, guys, it's sunny again. See, it's sunny again. So, I'll tell you a story about how I Did you break the Rubik's Cube again?
You put off while I was playing with it.
Evil. So, a story. I was playing with
Fly.
my friend, and you were playing tennis.
Birds and fly.
And then I think we were playing tennis or something like that. We're playing with this big bouncy ball. So then I hit the ball over to my friend, but it didn't go all the way over there. The bird flew in front of it, and then it hit it back at me, and then my face blew up like that, and then I died. It's a true story. That all really happened. Now you say something. I can't do this on my own.
Birds fly.
See, guys, birds fly.
You're welcome, man.
Birds fly.
And they have wings.
And they have wings.
Wings.
Close enough. So this is a documentary on birds, and
they're black in different colors.
And then
Black in different
they're
colors.
in black and different colors. That look like colors, right?
Yeah.
And they come out at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Joker. And they do stuff. I think that they pollinate the trees. I'm pretty sure that they pollinate the trees, and they also they fly mini jets, like that, and then they go everywhere, and they're like the best captains ever. They're the birds. Do. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Do. That's how you play the piano, guys. And I think birds play pianos. Probably. And yeah, this video is over. I should probably start again.